What up, Brittany? Appreciate you stopping by. Y'all don't go check out Brittany. She made some good content over there on her channel. Appreciate her stopping by to kick it with me. Right now we got our homeboy on camera rolling up a turkey day turkey. So basically what he's doing is he's rolling up the joint for the tail first. He might not have enough weed. Oh, he's mixing all different types of weed, huh? Shouts out to doing what you gotta do with what you got, I guess. See, now that I see that, that's annoying as hell. Fucking. What up, Jorge? I'm gonna go check him out. Appreciate you for coming by. So this funny shape one. See, you can't even see where it is on the screen, but it's right there. I'm gonna have to redo this fucking video, but that's what's up. I appreciate the attempt of doing it, right? But you know, we're gonna have to redo it so y'all can actually see what he's doing on the screen versus this fucking over. I don't know why it looked like that today. Oh, it normally don't look that bad, is he? What up? Anyways, let's just keep going. We gonna push right through it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Like we ain't got no problems. Here, I'll switch it around on me because the camera don't even look good. Y'all can watch me watch the video. What we doing? We roll it up. Shouts out to the green team. Probably can't even see the turkey. Let's see. There we go.
Y'all know what the fuck is going on.
He made it look good though. You see what I'm talking about?
Hours later. No, it was like 3.5. It's almost
3.5 hours to roll that son, bitch. It's like baking a real turkey. Oh shit.
Y'all see what the fuck is going on. I'm not even gonna listen. Fuck. Motherfucker.
And it ain't even hitting good.
I burnt the fucking side. That's why you don't use a flash. All the other ones are burning pretty perfectly though. Do you think, should I fix that? Yeah, I'm gonna fix that. I barely see it, but I fucking saved it. I used some more fucking hemp glue. And this time I just gotta be careful.
That's why you don't use torches. Light up fucking